Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk a little bit about your aircraft paperwork, what you need to carry with you and what you don't need to carry with you. Let's go across what we don't need to carry with us, and that would be we don't have to carry in our logbooks our revisions of our airworthinesses. We can have copies of them.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
But we don't need to carry them in the airplane. Might have copies for reading, or if an IA, a new guy wants to look at your airplane, he'll have everything. The other thing you might want to carry and have in your records are the pertinent maintenance manual. This will allow you to do maintenance on your airplane in accordance with the manual, so it'll be proper, whether it is you doing the maintenance or your mechanic. The other thing you'll have with you is a copy of your weight and balance. Now, the weight and balance, whether it's like this in a form from the factory or it's a hand-done one, they need to be carried in the airplane because this is part of you making sure the airplane is safe to fly. You have the proper paperwork. And then you can see the old thermal paper for the ADs. Let's get to some of the ADs. Now, with ADs, you don't have to carry the ADs in the airplane. But in your records, you're going to want to have a compliance report. You may have one. You may have two. You may have three. And in my particular case, we staple them all together with the ADs that were covered in the compliance report, so we keep all of that together. And then finally, a discrepancy. Should you ever have any discrepancies, here's what they're talking about. Here's how I was having their airplane worked on. The discrepancy was an ignition harness needed to be replaced, and they had a part on order. So, ADs, just keep them. You might want to read them someday. Nice to have, but again, not something you're going to carry in the aircraft when you're flying around. So, ladies and gentlemen, organize all your ADs and everything in binders and such. You can put tabs to separate them, and that would be the logbooks you would take to your mechanic. That way, if there's a new AD, he can produce a copy and amend it to your logbook so you stay current. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having fun at your house today, and maybe if the weather cooperates, get to go fly your Grumman. I'm jealous. Have a good day, folks. Up in it and she feels safe. There she is, Lily in her Dutch oven. Hope y'all enjoy this. Thanks for watching.